good, man.
First time.
How's your arms? Did you ever take a break?
Ah, good.
When you went to Nui, I thought, oh fucking hell, this might be a bit shocking.
I'm brand new.
No, but you fucking killed it, man. Yeah.
Ah, it's pretty awesome.
Just, I mean, it's hard, but you just got to try and stay relaxed on the bike.
Yeah.
Do you know about standing up and holding the bike with your knees?
Oh yeah, I haven't done it much, a couple of times then, but
yeah,
leaning it forward, hold on.
Yeah. And stand up as much as you can.
Yeah, I know.
When you stand up, it feels unnatural, but you hold the bike with your knees.
Oh yeah. Well here.
Literally squeeze it down with your knees.
Yeah.
So
they don't go far off.
So I'll try and show you. Sit up straight and.
Oh, like that. Okay, yeah. Stand up, hold that. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
But yeah, oh mate, if that's your first ride, that's
First time.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah, good on you.
When you went down Nui, I thought, oh shit.
It takes it out of you though,
I've done none of this, but it looks really good fun.
Mate, it's so much fun. So much fun.
Hard with kids to go out and do stuff like this, isn't it?
Oh mate. Yeah, it is. You can't do it with the kids.
Nah.
But that's why it's good. You know, but I thought that if I hook up with you,
yeah.
the kids can ride
that's right.
together.
Yeah, I haven't slow you down. You just probably tear through there.
Mate, the more the better, and it's not ideal doing these tracks on your own.
Yeah, I can
break
imagine.
down or hurt yourself.
Yeah.
It could be fucking 2 hours before someone comes along.
I noticed that. Yeah.
If they come along at all, it could be the riders go, now we'll just do the blue track.
That's right. You'll be dangerous by yourself.
Very dangerous by yourself, mate. Yeah, you never do it on your own.
Nah.
All right.
I think we're going to go. This is called Hesitation Hill. This one here, I think.
Yeah, cool.
So, but the thing is, like, pick a nice line.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, just.
Do we go behind you? I don't mind going last.
Well, no,
I can watch how you just go through.
Look, I've got a load of tools here and stuff.
Oh,
so
okay.
Yeah, no,
I'll
always
go
go.
at the back.
Well, go at the front. I'll stay at the back. And just keep an eye out. That's
Okay.
all.
All right.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Every 5 minutes, I'll stop on the corner and wait for you.
I'll pick the easiest line. Maybe just follow me. Just.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Just to give you a run in front. That's all.
Well done if you.
Very good fun actually turning out there up the hill.
The only thing you're doing is sitting down a lot, but you'll get used to it, and what you'll find is, oh fucking, you'll be knackered. Yeah. Tomorrow, mate, you'll be like this.
And we'll stand up, even up there, through there.
Yeah, so just, mate, stand up as much as you can.
Oh,
the only place I would sit down is going along a place like this.
Oh yeah.
And you'll find you won't be as tired. It's sort of counterintuitive, but yeah. So just have a practice, because it'll take you ages. Like the kids, you keep saying, "Oh, stand up, stand up." It takes ages, and then they work it out.
Yeah.
And like, get yourself some body armour as well.
Yeah, I think I need it. It feels too bare.
Well, when you're and if you fucking come off.
Yeah.
But you know when you're going through the trees and you're getting whacked by trees?
Yeah.
Like even that was hurting me with this one. I was like, fuck, these boys must be feeling it.
I bet Mark was going to say, I was
I was thinking, I fucking told you. You don't want to fall off and fucking do an elbow.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Yeah, all this shit, mate. Honestly, I've been riding bikes for years, and the reason why near pads is because I fucking hit a tree stump like about this high once on my knee. Oh, fuck.
I brought the kids everything, but did by myself.
Yeah, I know.
They got body armour, but yeah, I got.
But mate, probably I paid $30 for this on Marketplace.
Bloody worth it, isn't it?
30 fucking bucks, man.
Yeah, you're worth it.
Yeah, and if you come off and you go, yep, sweet, let's fucking go.
Yeah.
Whereas, you know, you come all the way down here, it ruins your fucking day if you hit yourself.
Oh,
you
I
know?
can imagine.
But I'll battle my 15-year-old to wear it all the time.
Yeah.
He will not fucking wear it.
Why?
I just say not fucking riding if you don't wear it. Because
No.
I know, you know, when you're that age, you fucking don't know, do you?
That's right.
But I don't think this is going to do a lot,
Yeah.
you know. But even like, I had some fucking dirt. I got a mouthful of dirt from you.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
I got
and
some
that's why
down
the
here
goggles are
at
so important.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, it flicked up, and I was like,
Oh, shit.
but a couple of rocks went bang bang on
Did
my
it?
fucking chest, yeah. Because you got a good tyre, so it's fucking flicked them up.
Flicking shit up. Yeah.
Yours was flicking them up on that fucking kids track as well,
Oh, was it?
mate. You almost want to be slightly offline.
Sorry.